yan? All for the land. Ah, yung sa bridge yan, di ba? Yung ba yung sa bridge?
Oo.
Yung
Yung dalawang
dalawang
statue.
statue. Ang galing mo. Yung tower.
I don't know. I don't know where we're going. Daddy's driving. He won't tell me where we're going. I have no idea.
Is he cranky?
Yep. He gets cranky when you ask him. So don't ask him.
What's cranky, Savannah?
Nothing?
Can you explain what cranky is?
I can't.
Welcome to Cleveland. All for the land.
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Superior Avenue. In 1/4 mile, turn left onto the overpass.
Sabi ko ba't ang babagan nila? 25 lang pala rin.
Like, ikaw na pull over. Oh,
Turn left at the traffic light.
It's United States Courthouse.
Pantang West Market to, di ba?
Hindi, sa kabila.
Was it on fireworks night?
Oh, look.
For the
It's rainbow
July?
flag.
Asan?
Is it for the July?
What?
Yung rainbow flag.
Lives
For the
matter.
July? The flag?
Condo pala yung mga
Mommy,
yan,
for
no?
the July?
For office.
For the July?
No, it's not 4th of July.
No, I'm just telling you. What's for the July?
4th of July. Celebration of Independence.
Taking forever.
It's okay.
We're going to that bridge.
Bridge. I'm so scared.
Courthouse.
Boom!
Boom shakalaka, ah, boom shakalaka, ah, boom shakalaka, ah, boom shakalaka, ah.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on West 25th Street.
Napunta na ba tayo? Hindi pa. Oh yeah, we did. Veterans Memorial.
Oh, yeah.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on West 25th Street, then take the second right.
So we're going to the West Market.
Sabi sa Pantang West.
One is Daddy and one is me. Akala ko ako. Doon sa stop sign, mag-right.
Mali.
Hindi, doon sa
In
stop
1/4
sign, right?
mile,
There's the stop sign.
arrive at 1148 Main Avenue on the left.
We're gonna look at the bridge. Oh, oh. Right here. This is it, the bridge? You're kidding me. I'm not gonna cut out. Ano ba hinahanap mo? Doon? Yun, siguro.
11:48.
Daming mga bar dito. Oh.
Bridge.
Arriving at 1148 Main Avenue on the left.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Parking.
What are you looking for? Right here. Here. Is it by the water? Yep. Parking, shooters. See,
Wait, are we on
those
the
are the
boat?
parking. There's no free parking in here, Dad. Over there,
What the heck?
up there,
This is so...
doon sa taas.
Also, to the beach?
Ayun.
Are you kidding me?
No,
Pasok ka
it's
dyan.
like
Ano?
This is the...
So paano ka pupunta sa kabila? So how do we go? Nandun lahat yung restaurant eh.
Nandun lahat yung magaganda.
Yeah, but let's walk this way. Let's see.
You know, Dad, you should put that lake house restaurant
Yung address?
address. Kasi ito yung mga magaganda.
Mommy, I want to go right now.
Oh, Sabi, look at the
I want to go.
seagull, Ezzy.
Oh no, seagull. Kasi, look at the seagull.
Oh, don't get too close, ha?
There's no rail.
There's no
You're
rail.
gonna follow.
So pwede mo ka mag-park ng boat kung may boat ka. So sa kabila, ikot kaya tayo.
Kaya nga eh.
Kasi yun yung alley, alam mo yung yung oyster bar?
Cafe. Mga dress nun. Look oh. Look that, the tiki barge.
I want to go.
You want to ride the tiki barge?
Let's go to the tiki barge.
Tiki parks.
Tiki barge that.
Ezzy, be careful. Ezzy.
Ezzy, be careful. Don't lean on that.
Lakad nga tayo ron, baka may daanan doon sa likod.
Wala.
No, let's just walk there. Nagwala ka kagad, ayun may dumadaan doon sa
I
likod.
know, pero yun. Wala naman bridge.
No, it's not the bridge. Just go see the...
See what? There's nothing to see there.
I'm on a boat. This is my first time riding a boat. When I was a baby, I ride on a boat. And this is the first time when I'm a kid, I'm going to ride on a boat.
You're
She's
a
a kid
toddler.
now. she bypassed the toddler part, son. Do we need our mask?
Mommy, I
Also, this is where they rent. Okay, teka, checking ko lang. I'm not gonna rent it. Oh, dyan ko i-rent the weekend?
Mom, come on.
Kaya nga i-check mo.
Okay.
Savannah, come back here. I also like to be.
So they have jet skis.
Gusto ko yung yellow eh, kasi may
May-
tama.
None.
Mommy, I also gotta go.
We'll rent it next weekend. How's that? So we can bring food.
No, Dad.
No, we have to bring snacks. Don't get close to the ledge, huh, Ezzy?
Ezzy, don't get too close on the edge. Ganda naman yung yate niya.
Ganyan yung i-rent mo eh.
I know. So, di ba?
Yeah. This is like Maryland. Huh?
Ganda din.
Diba? Para sa Maryland.
I know. Because of the boat and the big one. Magkain tayo dito ng gabi, oh.
Kaya nga dun. Sa left.
Ali Cafe.
Oh, ito pala oh. Jet ski. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh? It's 4-seater. Walang cover. Magdala kang payong.
Hindi na ano yung payong mo.
No? Yung ganun. Katulad sa Maryland.
We're not going that boat.
Baka tanong ko yung rental sa Quantum. Maganda nga yung yellow, no? Meron akong cover. Yeah, tatanong ko pabalik. Or a sailboat. Look at the sailboat. Kasi maganda to, mabilis to.
Ayoko na. In between yung boat. Nasa gitna. Gadan. Nasa gitna. Ganun pala.
Kaso mabagal to, isa lang ang engine niya, maliit pa. Sa 150. Mayroon pala magkayak. Okay, I think. Okay, so lagay ko lang sa GPS kaya para may tayo. Okay. Tsaka yung lake house. Dapat pala doon tayo kumain. Pwede. Pwede. Ang ganda sa gabi dyan. Okay, let's check the boat.
O yung Cleveland suit, yun na ba?
Hindi.
Check the boat.
Punta tayo sa suna, dito na tayo.
Ayoko. Init.
GoPro, stop recording.